Ayun po, gusto ko lang ulit mag-thank you for... Ano ba ipi-play ko? Dapat mag-play ako music. Sige, wag na. Ayun, gusto ko po ulit mag-thank you. Yun, dumami na. Okay, gusto ko po mag-thank you sa inyong lahat ng mga sumusuporta po sa akin for this new journey yung sa debut as a solo. Maraming salamat po. I know this is ano ba? Well, this is my first time. Well, I guess marami naman kayong napagdaanan na because hindi naman ako yung first member na nag-solo. So, sanay na kayo sa mga ganito. But for me, this is my first... But for me, this is bagong pakiramdam for me yung mag-solo and bagong bagong something. Basta, sobrang happy lang ako and thankful sa mga nakasuporta sa akin. Kayo yun. Maraming salamat. And sana nagustuhan yung new music gawa ni Rad Kids. And of course, yung music video na pinaghirapan nila Justin. Thank you so much. Sana nagustuhan nyo. And dahil marami naman ang nanonood, promote ko na lang din sa mga nasa US and Canada po. Malapit na po yung show, malapit na po yung concert ni Kuya Eric sa US and Canada. Kasama niya po ako doon. It is June 22, June 23, June 22, 23, 26, 28, 29, 30. Ayun, tama. June 22, June 23, June 28, June 29, and June 30. Yun. Pupunta po kami sa una po is San Francisco, and then next Temecula, and then next Vancouver, Calgary, then last po is LA. Kita-kita po tayo sa mga wala pa pong tickets. Get your tickets na po. Perform ko po yung room, of course. And then meron po akong wish bus sa LA. So sa mga hindi po busy, ipopost ko na lang po kung kailan and kung saan para magkita-kita po tayong lahat. And syempre, today po yung start ng ticket selling ng concert namin ni Julie together. So, kung wala kayong gagawin sa July 27, 28, pwede po kayong manood ng concert namin ni Julie. You can buy your tickets today. Starting today, you can buy your tickets. 'Cause as long as I'm the name on your tongue to heart. So ayun. Today yung selling ng start. Today yung start ng selling ng tickets ng concert namin ni Julie for the July 27, 28. So if you have time, see you manood po kayo. So mga upcoming events po, yes, yung sinabi ko po kanina, yung sa US and Canada with Kuya Eric, and then July naman po 27 and 28 with Julie, and then may wish bus din po ako sa LA. Yes. Ano pa ba? Ayun, take ko din yung time na to thank yung mga people na talaga nakasupport sa akin, of course. 1Z, SB19 Brothers, ano pa ba? Warner Family, ano pa ba? Yung Scouts, Kuya Jay, Kuya Miko. Si Kuya Miko yung nagsulat nung yung gumawa ng skit. Yung nagsulat nung script nung skit kahapon, yung acting sa umpisa. And then si isa pang Miko yung gumawa ng lyric video. Sino pa ba? Ang dami talaga, wait lang. Wardrobe, Team Rain XM, sila Mama Mac, sila Kuya Mark, lahat sila Negi, si Mama Jody. Siyempre onesie, yung buong onesie, ang dami nun, but yung buong onesie. Sila mga friends sa pumunta, family. Dami pasasalamatan. Sobrang dami. And of course, tomorrow is my birthday. So, happy birthday to me. Yung suyo, gusto niyo magpasuyo. Ayun na nga yun eh. Nag-release na nga ako ng song para sa inyo eh. Underneath the moonlight. Ayun, thank you po pala. Naalala ko na. Maraming salamat po sa unang-una dun sa mga berries na tawag dito. Thank you sa mga berries na nagpa-billboard na nakaabot sa New York, sa Times Square. Maraming salamat po. And thank you din dun sa Strawberries UAE na nagregalo nung mic, nung personalized microphone. Maraming salamat. Bukas ko sila ipopost yung mga pictures saktong birthday ko. Papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng mic. Pero nakita nyo naman kasi gamit ko kahapon. And ayun, sobrang amazing. Maraming salamat po. And ang dami, yung buong 18 and berries na talagang todo support. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Yung mga nagsistream ng music video and ng music sa iba't ibang music platforms. Grabe, nakita ko ang daming countries yung parang nag-chart yung song. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, guys. Kala ko nung una yun, hindi totoo. Totoo pala. So, mayroon pa akong pasalamatan. Of course, yung gumawa ng music video. Yumi Us. Thank you so much, Yumi Us. I love you so much, guys. Yumi Us. Thank you, Yumi Us. Of course, Tita Baby. Kahapon na pumunta siya dun sa showcase, si Tita Baby. Maraming salamat, Tita Baby. Our forever Tita. We love you po. And of course, si Lance. Amazing Lance. Napakagaling. Nakakaba pag namit si Lance, pero napakabait. Anyways, thank you sa inyo po, Tita Baby and Lance. Maraming salamat na ni-recommend ni Yumi As. Si Yumi As ang nag-recommend doon. Thank you so much. Sobrang saya. So, ayun. Thank you, everyone. Yes, magkita-kita rin tayo sa Agusan. Malapit na yan. Kita tayo sa Agusan. So, ayun, may mga nakikita ko, mga nakasecure sila ng tickets. May mga nakapag-secure na ng tickets for the Stell and Julie concert. July 27 and 28. Nako, matutuwa kayo sa setlist namin, sa mga songs na ipo-perform namin. Basta. Today yung start ng selling, so sa mga nag-aantay dyan ng mga gagawin nila, go. Support na ako, wala lang ako sa money. Okay lang yun, I understand. At least you support me spiritually and mentally and heartily. Birthday mo rin bukas. Happy birthday sa atin. Advance happy birthday. Magwi-wish bus ka din dito sa Pilipinas. Siyempre naman, pero siguro pagbalik na from US. Kasi parang hindi naabot pag nag-wish bus pa ako ngayon, pag nagpa-schedule. So, I guess di naabot, kaya pag-uwi na lang. Hello, Nicole. Sabi niya, pansinin mo naman ako. Good morning from Switzerland. Hi. Guys, maraming salamat talaga dun sa mga nagsistream ng ng birthday ko. Nagsistream ng song sa music platforms and nagsistream ng music video. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. I really appreciate everything. Hello sa 8.6 viewers. And ayun pala sa bukas sa AOS, makapanood niyo po yung first ever live performance ko ng Room. Nasa AOS po ako tomorrow. Mapanood niyo po ang Room live performance. And sa gabi naman po, nasa ano naman po ako, KMJS na yan, sa Kapuso Mo Jessica. So parang bukas birthday ko, makikita niyo ako sa TV. Yes! Makikita niyo ako sa TV. Yabang. Dati pag birthday ko, nasa mall ako eh. Ngayon, dati pag birthday ko, nasa mall lang ako eh. O kaya nasa bahay. Minsan sa mall, nagpapalamig. Ngayon, sa TV na. Hey, let's go! Thank you guys. You made this possible. Thank you so much. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng hindi natin patugtugin yung Room. Doon na tayo sa simula ng mic.
Pakikuha ng mic.
Pakikuha ng mic, sabi ni Lance. Ay, unahan ko na yung live performance. As soon as I said couldn't try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they couldn't mind. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can't get you off my mind. My oh my. Come and get it, so let's talk about it in my room. Babe, hope you're ready, cause I'm gone in vain. Listen to what I'm about to say. You will find the answer. This energy that's within me might be too much to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one living. Can you read the room? Can you read the room? I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. And now you've tried one of a kind. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile, man, I sent you way too high. Hope you come alive. Still a crime if I take shadows down your spine. My oh my, forever bound you and I. We don't need that, let time snow its space. Fade to black as now we're face to face. That's the only answer. This energy that's within me won't ever let you escape. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Dance. Baby, don't you worry, as long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, cause I will be your sanctuary. If you only let me orchestrate this story, we won't have to live this this room, 'cause I'm your everything. Can you read the room? Read the room. Can you? I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Let's go. Let's go. That's it. Let's go. Tug. Ba't naging 9.6 yung viewers? Turo ko na lang yung dance. Turo ko yung dance step sa inyo. Aralin nyo, dali. Wait lang, tali ko na yung shorts. Mag-end na rin ako mamaya-maya kasi may training ako today. So yung unang step, gaganto kayo. Chug. Ganon. So, chug. Tapos, bigla nyo idadrop. Idadrop nyo to. Ganon. So, 6, 7. Chug. Tapos drop. Hawak kayo dito sa legs nyo. Boom. Tapos, stuck. Ganon. Pagka-drop nyo, tuhod. Tapos biglang, yun, isa yun. So, pagka ganon, I hate to break it to you. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flowing your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling fills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room, there's no one living. Boom. Tak. Tapos, snap. Gano'n. Pag gano'n, snap. Tapos, tatouch mo itong likod mo. Can you read the room? Tapos, gano'n. Can you read the room? Drop. Clap. Tapos, clap ka. Clap. Tapos, can you read the room? Gaganunin mo. Parang alam yung doorknob yung ginanon mo. Can you read the room? Tapos kasabay niya, iikot yung hips mo. Gaganon. Room. Kasi ito medyo mahirap na next time na yan. Pag marami tayong time. So try natin siya with music. As long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, 'cause I will be your sanctuary. If you only let me, we can split this story. We won't have to live this room, 'cause I'm everything. 5, 6. Can you read the room? Read the room. Can ya? I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Hey, let's go. Aray. Ganon siya, ganon. Dapat may kita ko gagawin niyo yun, ha? Sa dulo, sasara niyo yung pinto. Du-du-du-du. Tapos tatalikod kayo, ganun. Yan. May sinabi na. Okay, sige. Pwede na daw sabihin. Pwede na daw sabihin. So, mamaya magpo-post kami ng dance practice video ng room. Let's go! So, anong oras yun? Tingnan ko kung anong sasabihin, kung anong oras. Magpo-post kami mamaya ng dance practice ng room. 7 p.m. So, abangan nyo po yan, 7 p.m. Magpo-post kami ng room dance practice video. I'm so excited. Wait, balik ako. Hope you come alive. Said I probably wasn't sure on your mind. Forever around you and I. Space. We don't need that lens. I'm slow in space. Fade to black as now we're face to face. Ooh. Here's the only answer. This energy that's within me will never let you escape. Damn it, it's so pretty, I see me. Ow! So in your body. So yun po, mamaya magpo-post po kami ng dance practice video. So sana po abangan nyo yun. Are you guys excited? Ako sobrang excited. Sige, sayo pa tayo. Dali, gusto nyo yun. Dito naman, ibang angle. Different angle. Dito, para mas... As soon as I set foot in as soon as I... Parang di maganda. To make myself alive. See your eyes, they couldn't mind. Happens all the time. Say you tell me I can get you off my mind. My oh mind. Ayan, parang off ito dito. Coming here sa pagbabago ng mag-work. Yan. As soon as I come then aside, mete kudasai. Diyan na tayo sa... Dance. Papasok. Baby, don't you worry. As long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, 'cause I will be your sanctuary. If you only let me, we can split this story. We won't have to live this road. Tapos ito na yung tinuro ko. Can you read the room? Read the room. Can you? Let's go. Let's go. That's it. Sana makita kong ginagawa niya yung room dance sa TikTok. Ano oras na? Kailangan ko na po magbabay because meron po akong training today. May pupuntahan po ako. So again, thank you po sa inyong lahat. Nag-live lang po talaga ako para mag-thank you. So ayun. Salamat po. Mamaya magkita-kita tayo 7 PM for the room dance practice video. Bye-bye po. Thank you so much. Love you guys so much. See you soon. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye. Ingat ka. Love you. Thank you.